In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rename a team in Asana. Renaming a team is a quick way to keep your workspace organized and make sure everyone knows exactly where to collaborate. Before we begin, a quick note. You'll need permission to edit team details. If you don't see the options I mentioned, check with your admin or a teammate who manages settings. Start by opening Asana and heading to the team you want to rename. The easiest way is through the left sidebar. Scroll to the team section, then select the team. This takes you to the team's overview where you can see members, projects, and settings related to that team. If you work across multiple organizations or workspaces, make sure you're in the right one first so you're editing the correct team. Next, click the team name or open the team settings. You can usually do this by clicking the team name at the top of the team's page or by selecting the small drop-down arrow or three dots menu beside it. This opens the area where you manage the team's details. Look for the option labeled Edit Team Details. Depending on your view, it might appear as a button, a link, or a pencil icon. Once you open it, you'll see fields for the team's name and sometimes a description or privacy settings. We're focusing only on the name today. Now, change the team name. Click into the name field and type the new name you want. Keep it clear and consistent with your organization's naming conventions. Many teams include a department, function, or location, like marketing, north, or product design. Short, descriptive names make it easier for teammates to find what they need. If your organization uses prefixes or codes, match those so everything stays aligned. When you're happy with the new name, save the updated name. Look for a Save, Update, or Done button and click it to confirm. Some Asana views auto-save changes, but it's always best to confirm the update before closing the window so you don't lose any edits. Finally, check the sidebar to confirm the new team name appears. The sidebar should refresh and show the updated name under Teams. If it doesn't update right away, try a quick page refresh. Your teammates will also see the new name, and any favorites or pinned items will reflect the change. That's it. You've renamed your team in Asana. If you ever can't find the edit option, it's usually a permissions issue, so reach out to your admin. Thanks for watching, and keep your workspace tidy with clear, consistent team names.